For over 40 years, ARL's been rooted in the heart of New Zealand's food and fibre industry, quietly powering progress through science. Born in Hawke's Bay, our mission was clear: deliver world-class agricultural testing for the people growing Aotearoa's future. From soil to sap, fertiliser to feed, ARL's been the trusted partner behind every confident decision on the land. In 2023, the business stepped into a bold new chapter. Then, just weeks later, Cyclone Gabrielle struck. Our Hawke's Bay lab was destroyed. Every instrument, every sample, gone. But the spirit of ARL was never in the building. It was in our people. In record time, our team regrouped, receiving samples in a staff member's garage, then finding a temporary home in Hastings, restoring service and never missing a beat. And in that moment of crisis came an opportunity to rebuild not just what we lost, but to create something even better. We chose Rolleston, Canterbury, for its access to world-leading agricultural science, for its connection to the country's agricultural engine, for its future. 18 months, a new facility, a dedicated team, a fresh start, built from the ground up with 14 20-foot containers of equipment. Now we're back, stronger than ever, with a new look, a new home, and a renewed mission. Welcome to the new ARL. We're here for farmers and growers, for independent agronomists, for viticulturists, researchers, and turf professionals, for everyone who feeds and sustains Aotearoa. We're more than a lab. We're your partner in progress. Rooted in science, driven by purpose, ready for what's next. ARL. We dig deeper so you can grow smarter.